Hello guys, welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money. I'm very happy today to hear the good news concerning the Afriq Arbitrage system. Okay, the system has been paused for months now, and you will hear direct from the horse's mouth. Okay, that's Jesse Michael. You will hear everything and you will understand the reason why he said that you guys should relax, that he will fix Afriq Arbitrage system again. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe now to be getting latest updates on how you can trade crypto, how you can mine crypto, how you can be getting airdrop, and a lot more. So what you need to do is just to come and subscribe to Online Money Hunter. So after that, let's go to the official channel. Okay, the official Telegram channel, where he discussed about this ongoing upgrade on Afriq Arbitrage system. Okay, let's go. If you haven't watched this video, go and watch this video here. This is the cause of the pause in Afriq Arbitrage system. This is the cause. I explained everything here. You know, I always love to carry everybody along because I love good things. I love good websites. I love good people that do legit business. That's why I want you to go right now. Follow me. So we are here now. Okay? I want you to listen attentively so that you will understand what he said concerning the reopening of Afriq Arbitrage system.
Just have laughed. Guys, just smile.
This is him speaking.
Smile when I say smile.
Okay.
Smile. I know you are going through a lot.
Okay.
I know naysayers has poisoned your minds.
Okay.
I know you are at the middle of the road, the crossroad. Taking up your eyes over the sky. The distance is so far that you know not what to believe again. But in the midst of all of this, put up a smiling face.
Okay.
Wake up from your shackles and have it at the back of your mind that there is a God who seated in heaven, who wants the best for you, either a Muslim, a Christian, an Hindus, a pagan, and unbelievers, knowing too well the rain, the sun that shine, does not separate roofs or houses to rain on. It will never rain because you're a Muslim, or will it rain on your roof because you're a Christian? The God who created the rain on the roof of both the Muslims, the Christians, the Hindus, pagans, unbelievers, name them. Smile.
Okay.
Just smile, Joe. Guys, the testing we've run, from the reviewing to the plugin stage, to the parameter settings that has to do with the profit booking, the trading profit booking per hour to a minute to a second, all has been done successfully. And the trading cross line bar are picking as required. 99.999 green button activated. Expect good news.
Can you hear that?
Relax when I say smile, smile.
Can you hear that?
You have no business with a naysayer. You have no business with a fake YouTuber who has nothing to offer to you.
Can you hear that?
To cook fake story just because, you know, when you click and hear and watch, they make money.
That's the truth.
You have business with Jason Michael. You have business with AAS. Expect good news. We will get back to you. The first phase testing is done.
Wow.
The second phase will start tomorrow. The first phase, 99.9% has been activated.
Wow.
Trading a green bar. All green. No error detected. No missing trade.
I love
all
this.
Green. Sorry, we locked up the room because we want you to be yourself.
Okay.
We didn't lock the room because we want to plan evil, no. I know so many of you are so used to what Ponzi masters and mistresses are doing. Once they lock up their room, that means the business is done. Everybody go to your tent. No. Here we locked up the room because we want to control your emotions. We want to control the negative comments. We want you to watch the process. We want you to learn how techs are being built. You don't rush them. You don't run in a hurry because you want to satisfy those who say, if you think it's real, do it. No, this is not Ponzi. This is 100% tech. Yes. You need time. You need to do it right. You need to watch it activate. You need a green bars to pick up. You need a trading book in profit to give you what you want. If you don't have it 100%, you can activate.
Okay.
Remember, we have you. And we must back it up with sincerity and truth. Just like Michael, love every one of you. The room will be open, relaxed. We have your interest at heart. The oath we took to embark on the joining or running one of the most transparent system called AAS. That oath is still being activated. No games, no biased mind, no tricks, but sincerity and truth. Happy weekend to every one of you in any part of the world you are hearing my name, my voice. My name is Jason Michael. Jesam Michael, a crypto lover. See you at the top. Bye.
Wow. Can you hear that? This is wonderful. This is wonderful. I love what I heard. So what about you? You know, one thing you should know concerning tech is that it takes time to fix. Okay, but once it's been fixed, you will enjoy, you will make a lot of money. And the reason why I still respect this man till tomorrow is because of his transparency. He's the only person that will come direct to you to tell you what is happening without hiding anything. Some people will run away with your money without you even hearing from them anymore. But this man is the kind of man that show you everything the way it is without hiding anything. That's why I keep standing by him every day, every night, okay? So I want you to be part of this AAS arbitrage system because the next resuming of the trade will be super amazing. So I want you to be part of this. I want you to start saving money to invest in Afriq Arbitrage system because it will surprise the whole world. The coming back of AAS will surprise the whole world. Please, I want you to share this video. I want you to comment. I want you to give me your feedback concerning what you heard concerning the resuming of AAS. Okay? You see, Michael loves us all. That's why you want to liberate the whole Africa. The whole Africa. So, I want us to make this money together. Start saving some money. Okay? Start saving some money. Once I say start registration, you will start your registration. Okay? Everything is working perfectly, but they're still working on the robotic system. Okay, the robotic system, that's what they are working on. So always come back to watch some of my videos here because I give you legit updates, legit way of making money. You can come here and watch some of my video. You see this Cali.io. I have been withdrawing from this airdrop. And I want you to come back and watch this particular video here so that you can make money while we are waiting for the arrival of Afriq Arbitrage system. Okay? See you at the top. Bye-bye.